In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a field mandatory in Jira, a simple but powerful way to improve workflow efficiency and keep your project data consistent. First, log into Jira and head to the Your Work section, then select the project you want to update. From the sidebar, click Project Settings, and inside Settings, look for System Default Field Configuration. Next, click the Actions button and choose Edit Fields. Here, you'll see a list of all fields in your project. Find the field you want to make mandatory, for example, Approver, and click Edit. Once you've opened it, you can adjust the description if needed, then hit Update. Finally, check the required option for that field. From now on, Jira will enforce that this field must be filled out whenever an issue is created or updated. And that's it. You've just made a Jira field mandatory. This simple tweak ensures data consistency, keeps workflows organized, and makes project management smoother for your entire team.